Enhance your workshop with dependable tools that deliver precision and power for everyday projects. Best Bench Grinder for home use delivers smooth performance, durable wheels, and versatile functionality to tackle sharpening, shaping, and grinding tasks with confidence and safety in any garage or hobby space. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. DEWALT DW758 Bench Grinder. The DEWALT DW758 bench grinder is built for users who demand industrial-grade performance and long-term reliability in a workshop environment. Powered by a strong 3/4 horsepower induction motor, this bench grinder delivers consistent torque and impressive power, making it well-suited for heavy-duty grinding, sharpening, and material removal tasks. Running at a high speed of 3,600 RPM, it allows users to work efficiently on tough metals, worn tools, and fabrication projects without bogging down under pressure. The rugged cast-iron base and motor housing add significant durability while also reducing vibration during operation, which improves control and accuracy. One standout feature is the precision-machined aluminum tool rests, which help users position workpieces accurately for repeatable and professional results. These rests are especially helpful when sharpening chisels, blades, or drill bits, where angle consistency matters. The rear exhaust ports integrated into the wheel guards contribute to smoother operation by improving airflow and reducing heat buildup around the grinding wheels. With a generous 12.5-inch distance between wheels, the DEWALT DW758 easily accommodates larger or longer workpieces, offering added flexibility compared to compact grinders. Overall, this bench grinder is an excellent choice for professionals, metalworkers, and serious DIY users who want a powerful, stable, and durable machine that can handle demanding grinding applications day after day.
Number 2. Oregon 120-volt bench grinder. The Oregon 120-volt bench grinder is a specialized and highly practical tool designed primarily for chainsaw owners who want professional sharpening results at home or in a small workshop. Built for bench or wall mounting, this grinder offers flexibility in installation and fits well in garages, sheds, or dedicated workspaces. Its biggest advantage is the ability to sharpen chainsaw chains up to 0.404 inch, making it compatible with a wide range of chains from popular brands like Oregon, Stihl, and Husqvarna. The one-way motor rotation enhances operator safety while delivering consistent sharpening performance. A manual chain clamping vise helps hold chains securely in place, ensuring precise and even sharpening across each tooth. By sharpening chains yourself, this grinder can save both time and money over repeated professional servicing. The included accessories add strong value, as the package comes with 2 grinding wheels, a dressing brick, a profile guide, and a flat profile disc for maintaining depth gauges. These extras allow users to fine-tune chains and extend their lifespan. Overall, the Oregon 120-volt bench grinder is an excellent investment for frequent chainsaw users, landscapers, and woodcutters who want dependable sharpening performance, easy operation, and long-term cost savings.
Number 3. WEN BG625V Bench Grinder. The WEN BG625V bench grinder is a versatile and user-friendly option designed for light to medium-duty sharpening and grinding tasks. Its 2.5-amp variable speed motor sets it apart, allowing users to adjust speeds between 2,000 and 3,400 RPM depending on the task. This flexibility is especially useful when working on delicate tools such as knives, drill bits, or carving tools, where slower speeds help reduce heat buildup and prevent damage. At higher speeds, the grinder is capable of efficiently removing material from worn or dull tools. The included 36-grit and 80-grit wheels provide a good balance between aggressive grinding and finer sharpening, making the grinder suitable for a wide range of applications. A built-in, flexible work light improves visibility, helping users maintain accuracy and control during operation.
Adjustable eye guards and pivoting tool rests add an extra layer of safety and convenience, allowing the grinder to be tailored to different working angles. Compact and easy to operate, the WEN BG625V is well suited for hobbyists, DIY users, and home workshops. It offers solid performance, thoughtful features, and excellent versatility for users who need reliable sharpening without the bulk or power of industrial machines.
Number 4. VEVOR 3450 RPM Bench Grinder. The VEVOR 3450 RPM bench grinder is designed to deliver strong performance and reliable operation for everyday grinding and sharpening needs. Powered by a 250-watt 2.1A induction motor, this 6-inch bench grinder runs at a high speed of 3,450 RPM, providing efficient material removal and consistent grinding power. Compared to standard motors, it offers smoother operation and improved durability, making it suitable for frequent use. The grinder comes equipped with 2 fused alumina wheels, including a 36-grit wheel for fast, aggressive grinding and a 60-grit wheel for finer, more precise sharpening. This combination allows users to handle a wide range of tasks, from sharpening knives and chisels to maintaining axes and blades. Safety and visibility are enhanced by the adjustable transparent eye shield, which protects against sparks and debris without blocking the view of the workpiece. A built-in LED work light further improves accuracy by illuminating the grinding area. Tool-free adjustable tool rests make it easy to change angles quickly, adding convenience and efficiency. Overall, the VEVOR bench grinder is a solid choice for DIYers, mechanics, and home workshop users who want dependable performance, practical safety features, and smooth grinding results. Number 5. BUCKTOOL 200DS Bench Grinder. The BUCKTOOL 200DS bench grinder stands out for its dual-speed design and thoughtful features aimed at both sharpening precision and grinding efficiency. Equipped with 1/2 HP dual-speed induction motor, it provides steady torque at both low and high speeds. The slower speed is ideal for sharpening woodworking tools and delicate edges, while the higher speed allows for quick metal removal when needed. This flexibility makes the grinder suitable for a wide range of workshop tasks. The included 80 and 120 grit white aluminum oxide wheels are designed to reduce heat buildup, helping preserve tool hardness and extend edge life. 2 independently adjustable cast aluminum tool rests allow users to maintain accurate angles and compensate for wheel wear over time. Stability is ensured by a sturdy cast iron base with mounting holes, which minimizes vibration and prevents movement during operation. An added bonus is the included buffing wheel, which expands the grinder's functionality to polishing and finishing tasks. It can also accommodate compatible brush wheels, increasing versatility even further. Overall, the BUCKTOOL 200DS is a well-rounded bench grinder that offers precision, stability, and multifunction performance for serious DIY users and workshop enthusiasts. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.